Hey everyone, welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update channel. Whether you're a loyal subscriber or brand new here, I'm excited to have you joining me today. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that like button, drop me a comment below, and click the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future updates. The more we grow this community, the more people will benefit from the crypto insights we share. In today's video, we're diving into Shiba Inu and a Shiba. This popular meme coin has surged over 51% in just the past few days, and according to one expert, we could be in for an even bigger rally. How big? Well, predictions are floating around that Shiba Inu might skyrocket up to $0.00017, which would be a mind-blowing 750% increase from its current price. Make sure you stay with me until the end of the video for all the juicy details. But before we go any further, remember that this video is not financial advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. So let's talk about what's been going on with Shiba Inu recently. SHIB has been one of the top performers in the ongoing crypto bull run. After months of relatively sideways movement, we've finally seen Shiba Inu break through a 3-month high. As of the time of recording this video, SHIB is trading comfortably above the $0.00002 mark, a price level that it hadn't reached since mid-July within the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu even shot up to $0.000021556. Completely wiping out all the losses it had suffered over the past 3 months. Let's put this in perspective for you. Just 4 days ago, Shiba Inu was trading at $0.0000143. Now, for those who've been holding on during this period, that's an impressive 51% gain in less than a week. In the crypto world, we all know how wild price movements can get, but even by those standards, a 51% surge in such a short time is nothing to sneeze at. Of course, after such a massive rise, it's not uncommon to see a little pullback, and that's exactly what happened. After peaking at that $0.000021556 level, Shiba Inu saw a brief correction, with the price pulling back slightly to hover just above $0.00002. This is likely due to some holders taking profits after the strong run up. It's typical market behavior. People see big gains and some decide to cash out, especially if they think the rally might have become overextended. But according to some prominent voices in the Shiba Inu community, this is only the beginning. That's right. Some big-time analysts believe that CBB's bull run still has plenty of gas left in the tank. Let's turn our attention to one of the more vocal Shiba Inu bulls, Oscar Ramos. If you're involved in the Shiba Inu community, you've probably heard of him. He's been quite vocal lately, predicting that this current surge is just the tip of the iceberg. In a recent analysis he shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, Ramos expressed his belief that CGB's price rally is far from over. Here's why Ramos is so bullish. He points to a similar pump we saw earlier this year. Between February 22nd and March 5th, Shiba Inu went on an absolute tear, gaining an insane 400% in less than 10 days. Ramos believes we're in the early stages of a similar rally, and he doesn't think the current momentum will fade anytime soon. According to Ramos, the first quarter pump that brought Shiba Inu such impressive gains attracted a lot of new investors to the market, which then fueled even more price action. He's seeing the same dynamics at play right now. As more people get on board, it creates a snowball effect that could push CPDB's price even higher. Ramos also emphasized that we're only about 5 days into this current pump, and Shiba Inu has already gained over 51%. His analysis suggests that this time around, the rally could be even more significant than what we saw earlier in the year. He pointed out that the $0.00008 price point, a level Shiba Inu hit during the last bull cycle in 2021, is once again in play. If SHIB can break through this barrier, things could get very interesting. Now, if you're following Shiba Inu closely, you want to keep an eye on some key price levels. According to Ramos, one of the most important resistance points for SHIB is $0.00002, which, as I mentioned earlier, has already been overcome. This was a significant psychological barrier for Shiba Inu, and now that we've broken through it, the next target is on the horizon. Ramos believes the next major hurdle for SHIB is around $0.0000045. If the bulls can push the price above that level, we could be in for another explosive rally. He thinks this is entirely possible within the remaining 4 months of the year, given the current market momentum. Breaking through $0.0000045 would be a huge accomplishment and it would likely set the stage for even bigger gains. Now, let's talk about the long-term outlook for Shiba Inu. Oscar Ramos is not just looking at the next few months, he's thinking much further ahead. According to him, SHIB could reach an all-time high of $0.0017 by 2025. If you're sitting there thinking, wait, what? Let me break it down for you. At the time of recording this video, SHIB is trading at around $0.0002. If it were to reach $0.00017, that would represent a 750% increase from its current price. In other words, today's investors could see a 7.5 times return on their investment if Ramos' prediction comes true. Now, I know that sounds pretty wild, but in the crypto world, these kinds of gains aren't unheard of, especially with meme coins like Shiba Inu that have strong community backing. Ramos is basing his prediction on several factors. First, he points out the growing interest from both retail and institutional investors. As more people and companies start paying attention to Shiba Inu, the demand for SHIB tokens could increase, pushing the price higher. He also mentions the importance of the overall market sentiment and how bullish momentum in the broader crypto market could play a significant role in driving CBB's price upwards. Of course, there are always risks involved in any investment. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and predicting exact price movements can be tricky. But with that said, the potential upside for Shiba Inu is something to keep an eye on. So what's the bottom line here? Should you be buying Shiba Inu right now, or is it too late to get in? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? If you believe in this analysis and think that Shiba Inu still has room to run, then this could be an exciting opportunity. But keep in mind that no one can predict the future with absolute certainty. The crypto market can change on a dime, while there's potential for massive gains. There's also the risk of significant losses. Always make sure to do your own research before making any decisions. Look at the technicals, follow the news, and consider the broader market environment. And remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. So there you have it, guys. Shiba Inu has had an incredible run over the past few days, and according to some experts, this is just the beginning. With the potential to reach $0.00017 by next year, the upside for SHIB is huge. But as always, it's important to stay informed and cautious in these volatile markets. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue bringing you the latest crypto updates. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay positive, stay hustling, and as always, let's make those gains together. Take care, everyone.